Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The smartphone is equipped with a 2.4 GHz octa-core Samsung Exynos 990 processor that has 4 cores clocked at 2.4 GHz and 4 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz. Dimensions of the phone are 164.80 mm by 77.20 mm by 8.10 mm, height x width x thickness, and it weighs around 208 grams. This 5 grams ready smartphone can be bought in Mystic Bronze, Mystic White, and Mystic Black colors. Moreover, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra comes with a glass body. In terms of display, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra from Samsung is said to have a 6.9-inch curved dynamic AMOLED 2X capacitive touchscreen with a resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels. The phone has an IP68 rating that makes it resistant to dust and water. Furthermore, the display comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. The smartphone features a triple camera setup on its rear. There is a 108MP primary camera, a 12MP camera with an f/3.0 aperture, and a 12MP with an f/2.2 aperture. Also, it has autofocus as the feature on the back. While on the front, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has a 10MP camera with an autofocus feature. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra houses a 4500 mAh non-removable battery and runs Android 10. The smartphone supports wireless charging and proprietary fast charging. Besides, the storage option on the smartphone would be 8GB RAM plus 256GB internal storage and 8GB RAM plus 512GB internal storage. The inbuilt storage of the mobile can be expanded up to 1TB using a microSD card. Apart from this, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra comes with various connectivity options such as USB Type-C, Bluetooth V5.00, NFC, Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/nac/yes, and GPS. Also, there are various sensors on the phone such as in-display fingerprint sensor, barometer, compass/magnetometer, gyroscope, accelerometer, proximity sensor, and ambient light sensor. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra supports Face Unlock feature too. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra smartphone price is likely to be $1,402.70 104,999 rupees. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is to be launched in the country on August 21, 2020. For more updates subscribe to Tech News and share this video.